man. When you get your tongue. So just taking all your just
Yo, I'm not telling a lie. I don't know where me and do as a parent if I do my pitney that them a beat up. So, the video we just seen at the beginning show two bigger youth a beat up a smaller youth. Every that them a do. I'm not back and I'm not afraid for talk my mind. You understand me? I say, the full video can be put on TikTok. The full video about 1 minute long. Them they a beat him up, me I tell you people. If you want to see the full video, go on Google, search for mountain.com, watch the video on that website. Read. The video is there. If you just read, you'd understand how to see the video. Stop coming in video and be like, oh, the video is not there. It's always there. It's just because you don't want effing read it. Reading is fundamental. Anyways, when you go on the website, you're going to see a big red button on the article. Click the big red button for watch the video. It's that simple. Read and the article itself will tell you how to go and see the video. Anyways, people, can you imagine you as a parent, even if it's not a parent, or your cousin this, or your nephew this, something to you, you see, two bigger youth to beat him up, that now go sit well with you. You understand me? I say, I'm not condone with violence in a school, no time. It is wrong, and them youth, they will do it for get schooling, especially the bigger youth for get schooling. But you know what going to hurt you the most? When you realize that a teacher or whoever else was there, but the person is an adult, was there standing and watching. We don't know if it's a teacher or a parent, we don't know who they did, but an adult was there watching this taking place. And them don't help for part it or nothing at all. Them just stand and watch a little boy get beat up by two other bigger youth than him. You see what I say? But we not come for bash the little picnic them, right? We are going to talk what we see take place in the video. So the bigger youth, I tell the little youth will end up get beat up, say, yo, your time for get conk. So apparently them a play some farmer game. And they hear him say, your time for get conk. So meaning say, the little boy probably conk someone before, so them a play some game. Let's say them a play a B word and I get a conk if I say a B word. Let's say little boy conk somebody else, right, in the B word game. But now, him say a B word and a theme time for get conk and him don't want him conk. That's going to cause some conflict between them. You understand me? I say? As I say, my dog condone violence. It's wrong for them beat him up. Them shouldn't solve it a different way. You understand me? I say? But it is unfair if you get conk in your head by a person and then when the first time get conk now, them don't want to get the conk. It will cause a problem. Just like gambling. You win your money and then the person want to go away the winnings and then they want to play it back. So conflict always start with them things there. However, as a parent, you need to teach a kid self-awareness, meaning to say, yo, don't play them certain game, yeah, don't do this, don't do that. You understand what I say? Yeah, man, learn to stay by yourself, keep your own company. You see me I say, because as a youth, we grew up, we play karate, we play B-word myself, but them time they are with hard box. So when I come and pretend like some don't play games at school, everyone do. So when I come and chastise you, them want to teach them more sense, more knowledge. You understand me I say? Don't make certain things like this, make on a fight, break up on a friendship. If him don't want to get in the conk, just wait him turn him head one time and boom out him head. But I laugh, because that wrong. But yeah, just don't worry, you see me? If I turn him head one time, you just got drop a conk now, I mean, enough time we there hold on head and I get conk them. You see me? I say, but things and time change. All of them youth nowadays are turn to violence, as you see in the video. You see me? I say, but I know so many parents are going to outrage when them see the video, especially if I hear a picnic and see a picnic and get beat up. All I need for that is go home, talk to your youth, tell the youth, say, yo, don't do this, don't play in the karate, don't play in the B word, don't do this, don't do that. You understand me? I say, especially if them are going to want to do it to somebody else's style and don't want to get it back done to them. That is just my 2 cents. Many persons are going to agree with me, but I just saw it go. You see me? I say, leave your thoughts in the comment section below and tell me what do you think.